Brittany and I just got back to Ho Chi Minh City, and then we are on the way to our hotel. We're gonna go check it out. It's a little dirty. Check this out. Oh, it doesn't look too crazy, but right away when we landed, like when we got to our place, everybody was just like, "You guys want a taxi?" and something. I didn't have time to put on my shoes. I stepped on like black floor, like black, like I've taken a piece on that bus station with me on my feet.
It's so dirty.
So yeah, we're on our way to a hotel now, I'm hoping. Alright, we use the reliable Grab app. So we are finally in Ho Chi Minh City.
What stark contrast.
It's huge. It's insane here. We got a lot going on. There's a lot of foreigners, a lot of things happening. It's overwhelming. It is crazy here. I love it. And now we just got into our hotel, and it's like it was odd because like it was almost like an apartment setup that's through Expedia. I booked it through Expedia, and this is basically an apartment, but I didn't even know. But this is basically the setup. Card goes in here, Wi-Fi connection. We got a full sink. We got fridge, washroom.
Ooh, the bathroom's actually really nice.
And nice little tile setup here. Cool. And then lovely TV. This is the actual condo setup with a bed here, and then like the full couch, study area. This is an average like home for a Viet person, I guess. But look at that, storage units up top, bottom, like more storage up there. This is actually really cool. I want to see the full. Whoa. It's actually really nice. And then I asked her in Vietnamese, is this an apartment? Like, are you like renting this? She's like, yes. And then they have like full security system. She was kind of late, but it was weird because it almost reminds me of an Airbnb setup.
Yeah.
Set up here. This, oh my God. This opens all the way, and you could, oh shit. And the way down is quite high.
Look, baby, we have a balcony.
This? Fuck. This is a balcony. And then this is really scary. We can do our laundry here though, at least.
Yeah.
Boy. Yeah, this is the balcony. Not much. Anyways, closing that up. This is scary because like it looks like if you chuck something down, you'll hit like a balcony or something like that here. But 7th floor. Look at this view, though.
I know.
Look at this view. That looks like a little market, so at least it's close by. But whoa! Look at this side.
Wow.
Holy moly. Alright, this concludes the room tour. This is it. This is our next final place. Look at this. Little wine places, cupboards. This is a full-on home. Look, they have everything in here.
I know.
What is this? Oh my God. I want to know how much one of these costs like actually would retail for. It would be nice to kind of look and see. This is quaint. I like it.
For 2 people?
Actually, yeah, it's like a studio apartment.
It's a studio apartment.
For 2 people, 3 people if you want, like you really want to bootstrap it. I remember like families that can like survive together and like, you know what I mean? Like the child can like sleep on the bed or sleep on like a little like, you know, set a little baby bed.
You could do like 2 parents and a child.
Yeah.
That
Or
would
like
work.
have a fold out bed. But anyways, what does that do? Nothing's happening.
I don't know, but we need
Oh no.
AC.
Oh, that's outdoor light. How do you turn the AC? Right here. I like how generically they're all the same. Right? And you drop the temperature.
Sick.
But anyways, this is cool. I like this. Actually, I'm kind of happy about this setup. I can edit. You look this view. This view though. Because remember, I paid only $170 for this.
I know.
It was crazy.
For how many nights?
4 days, 3 nights. Pretty cool. But this is no wild. This traffic. Anyways, battery's dying.
A few moments later.
This whole entire trip has been like one graduation after the next, and it's like,
Follow this guy.
raise your hand. He raised his hand. But yeah, it's been like one graduation after the next. We went from like Chiang Mai, Thailand to Bangkok to like you know, like food work and stuff like that. We went from like normal traffic, happy people, and then over to like slowly extremes, and then it just gets more and more progressively insane. Now we are in Ho Chi Minh City, and check out all this traffic and people.
It's saying go this way and down that way.
Okay, just put it in your pocket now and then memorize it. Okay? So, but yeah, like, is there oh,
This has a crosswalk.
well, main busy roads has crosswalks, so it makes sense. But Ho Chi Minh City is wild. Our building's actually pretty nice. It has a pool, has everything. It's an apartment building. It's pretty gnarly, but I like it. It's pretty cool. My man is risky business right now.
Wow. Oh, this guy's just risking it. No shit's given. Wow.
There's a giant Kung Fu Panda over there. Pretty cool, pretty fun. Holy fuck. It's wild out here.
This is insane.
Like look how many more people there are.
Oh, look at all the bikes.
I know. Alright. Let's see how this kid does it.
Okay, he's just gonna go.
We're going now.
Jesus, okay.
Watch out, watch out. Oh shit. Go on my side, go on this side. Fuck.
That guy just crossed.
And it stopped.
That was insane. Holy fuck.
Oh fuck.
The land. Crazy driving.
Okay, go. Let's go slow. Go slow. There's literally no room.
There's literally no room. You just have to apparently go.
Oh my god.
Okay, these girls are going.
It's just a lot.
Holy fuck. Like there's no break to even start.
And these guys just went. And look, those guys are just going too.
Yeah. Wow.
Okay. How are we gonna get back?
I don't know.
Let's just eat that 7-Eleven. And then come back tomorrow. All right, let's go. Go slow. Nice and easy, nice and slow.
All right. We just go. Holy.
Watch out, watch out, watch out, watch out. Watch out, watch out. Watch out, watch out. Watch out. Go on the other side. Go the other side from me. Okay, careful, careful. Careful, careful, careful. Careful, careful, careful. Careful, careful. That was,
Sweating. I'm sweating.
that was harder than I thought.
Wow.
This is like next level, like Vietnam style now. That's crazy. Oh my gosh.
Okay.
This is what it's all about, I guess. Vietnam. Okay. That was insane.
That was insane.
All right. I'd rather just stay up in the hotel for the next 4 days.
Fuck. Safer.
Safer. Oh God. That was interesting. All right, let's try to find food. All right. Let's find some spot to eat. Stopped having dinner, and it was hard to cross the whole street. And now Brittany and I just decided to come back. We're gonna go up to the pool, down to the pool actually, because this is the 10th floor. They've got like 19 floors here. This thing is massive. And it's like an apartment building. It's gnarly. Oh, you know this place is rich when like this thing has AC, and I'm like just drenched. Look at me. Look, like, holy moly. I love this. We're just chilling. This is our view though. This could be our spot. This place is crazy. Hi, how are you? We love it. It's so good. Wow. I think day one of Saigon, Ho Chi Minh City is really good. This thing just really cools you off. It's like a cold wind with like, we're on like the 7th floor, but the wind is chilly.
Feel cold until now.
I know.
Now that I'm in the water.
But we're like boiling hot.
Oh, so hot.
It's crazy. And you know what's cool is like I can stick this right here and just be chilling. Be chilling. I think I'm back here in the morning.
Is it?
I think so. Let's see. Let me be myself. No, it's not. Nothing's all the same. But what is that one then?
That one's like a kiddie pool
Oh,
thing.
it's so weird. Like, look how beautiful this place is. Let me be myself. What's over here? Okay, there's nothing over there. People are just chilling here. Brittany's over there somewhere. This is wicked. I love this place. This is an apartment. This is in a residential apartment building. There's 2 of them. But like, I knew Saigon was like next level, but I just didn't realize just how next level this place is. It's like super overwhelming. It's like, you know what I mean? It's like, it's overwhelming here.
Yeah. Yeah. There's lots to do here.
Lots to do. Our Asia trip's almost done.
I'm so sad.
How do you feel about all this?
I'm not ready to come back. Haven't even left.
Anyways, catch you guys up a little bit later.